Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes. And I was just kind of semi-joking my birthday, which is tomorrow. I'll be 68. And send me a pizza and salad and a soda. And I don't know what somebody sent me. It weighs a ton, so there are bags at the doors. And last night there was a possum eating cat food, or trying to, and not finding any cat food. So this is Burgh unboxing, and I have no idea what's in here. Let's see. We have here Mexican Cola, Maine Root, 4 12-ounce bottles, non-alcoholic. I have no idea what a Maine Root is. See. Carbonated pure water, organic cane, phosphoric acid, caffeine, spices, sugar, fair trade certified organic cane. I have no idea what the hell this is. So there's that. I'll have to try this and do it on camera. I don't have a clue. I've never even seen this stuff before. I thank whoever sent it. And we have another thing in here. I got some weird stuff. It's black cherry Zevia 0-calorie soda. So I don't know what this is either. I'll have to try some of that. Thank you for that one. We have more bags. The problem is, where am I going to put these things when they're empty? I'm trying to clean a little bit here, but I'm not always succeeding. Okay, now we have more here. We have here another bag. It says where on it, 1 to 4. I asked that question. Where is my stimulus money? You know, every date they've given on that stuff has been wrong. Okay, we have here a Table 5 thin and crispy pan-style pizza, uncured pepperoni pizza, tomato sauce, uncured pepperoni, and 3 cheeses. So, okay, I don't know how long this was sitting out my door. It's still cold, so I'll put this in the freezer for tomorrow. And let's open the other bag. This arrived a day early, but that's okay by me. Thank you for whoever sent all this stuff. And let's see what's in here. It is a pie. My goodness. The world's biggest pot pie. No. Whole Foods Market American Apple Pie. 10-inch. Well, thank you for this. I appreciate that very much. So that will be yummy. I can have that today, or I can have it tomorrow. I think I'll have it today. I'll let you know. Okay. There's one more bag. I was watching The Saint, the Fiction Makers, for the first time and enjoyed it. It was a little predictable but fun. Roger Moore on Amazon Prime, which I pay for. And finally, something in here that's very heavy too. The last bag of Where. Why did you resign? Well, it was information. Been watching a lot of old British TV too. Okay, we have here. Oh, what is this? Zevia Mixer Ginger Beer. 0-calorie ginger beer. Now, I have never had ginger beer in my life, so this will be interesting. Will it be good or will it be bad? I don't know what Zevia is, so we'll try that. And more oranges. I ate the last of the oranges that were sent to me last time. One of them went bad. So thank you for this. And that's it for this one. One more boxes or bags, and I finally gathered up all my laundry and bagged it up last night. So today I will be doing laundry. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. Stay safe and have fun, and I will catch you next time. And I will be doing a video live in the morning whenever I wake up. So tomorrow morning, you'll see me live on this channel. Bye-bye for now.